Hey, guess what? That took a lot longer than I thought, but it's done. All right, so it is finally done. And I was gonna make just a really quick video, but I thought, you know, may as well. I took so much time making it. Let's take some time to go over at least how I made it. But really, it came down to me just kind of having an original idea to, well, not actually that original of an idea, but I wanted to have a background for my Hot Toys figures in my IKEA Detolf cabinet because it just looked kind of basic, I guess, with them just in there. So I thought, hey, I could start with Star Wars. How about like a Star Wars backdrop? And when you think of Star Wars backdrop, especially for the bad guys, you think like those light panels, those signature light panels, just black, you know, and kind of going from there. And I thought, hey, I can make a whole enclosure in that cabinet. Why don't I do it? So I did it in Fusion 360, and that was pretty easy, just using some reference material I found by Googling. Put it all together, and I was actually able to, you know, do the whole design in Fusion. And then from there, throwing it on the printer. And that actually took about a week and a half to print all the pieces. There are 9 different wall pieces. There's the floor, which took about 20 hours to print on its own, and then 2 different pieces for the ceiling, plus 6 pieces for the different lenses that I created, or diffusers, I guess. So there was a good amount of printing, and it did take a while. After that, just putting it together, I did ecstasy 3D it, one of this, and painting it. I don't know why I painted it. Didn't really need it. It's black. Can you tell? It's still black. So I don't know. There's not much point to that. And then I wired in the LEDs, and that was actually something that frustrated me at first. But I just, you know, thought, hey, I could start soldering these to fit together in the way that I want them. So I soldered the LED light strips together and hooked them up to power, and there we go. Throw Kylo Ren in it, and he looks pretty cool, right? That's really it. It did take a month, though. I don't know. I think it's great. It doesn't actually fit in the cabinet because I made it too big, and you have to assemble it outside of a cabinet, and you could never do it. So the plan is with this room, I'm not sure if you noticed this room, but it's trashed, right? Because I removed the Batcave walls from the walls, and now it's just not much. There is a Batcave area over there, but the plan is to just kind of make it even and normal, a little bit industrial, because there it still doesn't have to match the cement floor I have and the exposed rafters. Anyway, after that's done, you know, I'm gonna put that up, maybe hook it up to a smart switch and turn it on with Google Home. That would be cool. I'm still talking, so I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching. Definitely follow me on Instagram. That's where I post my updates and stories and stuff like that with the stuff I'm working on. Okay.
And if your wife would make fun of you for, you know, seeing you do this, then you should probably subscribe.
And, you know, Facebook it, Twitter it, tweet it, you know, all that cool stuff, right? So if it's dark and it's night, then you'll want to check out this sort of stuff again, right? Oh, hey, thanks for watching.